Hey YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Let's take a look at what's inside. Get ready for Prime Day 2.0. Coming in like 8 days. I might want to take a look at this company. There we go. One more cut. Oh boy, here we go. This is the HiCozy Ice Maker Chewable and Crunchy Ice. Easy operation, fast ice making. Live happy, live cozy. Alright, I hope I could do it. Alrighty guys, here we go. We got it out of the box now. And about to see how it looks inside. And like I said, all you gotta do is click my Amazon affiliate link down below. Add this to your cart now. Check out. They got Amazon Prime Days going on now. So you won't miss out. Got a good old manual. Here we go. Pretty simple. Nice and easy. Put you guys down 1 second. Now it's out of the box. Look at this. Nice and silver, shiny. There I am. We got some goodies in the middle. Got some hoses. Max line is right there. Oh boy. Shovel or scooper. Water hoses. The valves. And then that cord is there. Looking good though. Really nice. Just gotta put this back. Like so. And I can see the max water level. Add water, put the bucket. Alright, so you can do it either manually with the, just add water with like, what should we call it, a mug or whatever you fill it up with. Make sure you hit the max line. And, or you can plug it in. I'm going to do it normal. I'm not going to do the plumbing stuff like that. It's too late right now to do it. So, and we're going to probably go in the kitchen in a second. We got a little manual on the top. Put it somewhere right there for now. Dude, get this sticker off. And this is a really nice countertop. Got the drainage. Here's the back. Fan to drain the plug. So next time we'll be in the kitchen. Alright guys, we got it in the kitchen. A little smudgy. Gotta give it a wipe down. Got my water ready. Put it in here. Like I said, you can use it with the water bucket to fill it, or you can use your water system. So either or, it's always a good option to have multiple ways of getting ice, especially these times. This would be good for your college dorm, your office, pretty much anywhere. Let me put you guys down. It takes about 5 minutes to make the ice, so that's not too bad. Usually it's about 13 minutes on other machines, so this is a little faster model. Definitely liking the chrome. I'm just filling these up right now. Probably 3 water bottles will do it. Maybe 4. I'm thinking probably 4. I'm not sure how this is gonna come out. There's different ones do different things, so we shall see how this works. Yeah, there we go. So 4 of these type bottles does the trick. So then step 1, pull the ice, add water, press the start button. Alright, let me plug it in from behind. Hopefully everything works. So I'm gonna pause you guys. It's like I said, that's a 5-minute wait that you don't have to wait for. And I'll just jump back into the 4-minute mark to see how the process starts. Here we go. Gotta make sure I got power here. So, ooh, that is cool. It's quiet. Kind of looks like a waterfall. There we go. Down at the bottom. Button is going. It tells in the manual on what the buttons do, what colors it's supposed to be, but I'm pretty sure this is going the right way right now. Part of the loading up process. Alright, so we showed that part. We'll be right back. And we got some kind of movement with that pump. So maybe it's at the level now. But this is cool. I like how the glow. Oh, there it goes. We'll be back. Oh, look at that. You got the little shredded ice. Kind of like snow cone. Comes out of there. That's pretty cool. And this is a purified. Whoop. Bam. So yeah, about 5 minutes. Started making it a small little batch. But I'm sure once it gets a little bit colder, this will be shooting out more. So, still not enough for a video. I'm gonna let it go, keep on for a few more minutes. We need a big pile of some ice. Alright guys, here we go with the ice maker. The HiCozy. Look at that little pump in the background. And it's shooting out the chute right there. So in about 5 minutes, it started to do that with the pump, and then it started shooting out. So still not enough for video. I'll get a couple more batches of it and give it a try. Definitely really cool though with the lighting in the background. Totally different than the others that I've unboxed. Whoa. Now they're shooting out. See, it gets a little colder. It's going to come out a lot more. So So I'll be right back. And for the final part, guys, let's take a look. So we got a good amount right now. The last maybe 5 minutes. I had enough time to eat something really fast. First time today, so definitely this thing is really nice, guys. Super quiet, like I said. If you're having a party the day before, this will be super quiet to make at nighttime, so you won't disturb anyone. Oops. Let me try to do. So we got our. Nope. Purified water, chewable. Excellent choice. HiCozy. Countertop ice maker. Definitely check out. Ooh, that's cold. Bottom's cold. The sides are cold. Alrighty. Be safe. Have a good night.